Morning dear students. Today we are going to do some more questions of exercise 8.3. So here we start with the second question. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So here four parts are there. So two I will be explaining to you and the other two are for your homework. So first part here is 3:1. That means these are three parts and this is one part. So let us first find out how many total parts are there. So total parts is 3 plus 1 is 4. So first part becomes 3 out of 4 multiply 100%. Now 4 ones are 4, 25s are, so 25 into 3 is 75%. And the second part was 1 out of 4, so it is 1 upon 4 into 100%. Again let us divide 25 by 100 by 4, it comes out to be 25, so it becomes 25%. So this is how we convert each part of the ratio into percent. Now in B part we have three ratios. So let us find out total number of parts. So it is 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 10. Now first part is 2 part out of 10, second is 3 part out of 10 and third is 5 parts out of 10. So first part 2 out of 10 multiply 100%. Let us divide by 10. So it is 20%. Now second part, second ratio was 3. That means 3 out of 10 multiply 100%. Again divide by 10. So it is 30%. And third part was 5 out of a total of 10. So 5 upon 10 multiply 100%. Again divide by 10. So it is 50%. So this is how we convert ratio into percentages. Question number 3 is the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. First we will find out the population, decrease in the population, and then we will find out the percentage of that decrease. So original population was 25,000, then decrease population is 24,500. Now how much is the decrease? For finding out this we have to subtract this. So decrease is 25,000 minus 24,500. So it would be 500. Now we have to find out percentage decrease. Percentage decrease means decrease कितना हुआ उसकी percentage. So that would be decrease upon original multiply 100%. कितना decrease हुआ? 500. Total कितना था? 25,000. And since we are to convert it into 100, so it is 100%. I hope you remember that from where does this 100% comes from? It is actually 100 upon 100. And this 100 which is there in denominator is converted into percentage sign because percentage means out of 100. So that 100 in denominator represents out of 100 and that becomes this percentage. Now if I divide this by 100, two zeros get cancelled and this 1 0 division by 10. So 25 ones are, 25 twos are. So how much is the decrease? It is 2%. Number 4. Arun bought a car for 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000, what was the percentage of price increase? In last question we had found the percentage of decrease. Here we are to find out the percentage increase. So first we will find out how much has the price increased. So price of car previous year, it was rupees 3,50,000. Now price of car this year, it is rupees 3,70,000. Now how much is the increase in price? So for finding out increase, again we are to subtract rupees 3,70,000 minus rupees 3,50,000. So it comes out to be rupees 20,000. Now we are to find out the percentage increase. So percentage increase निकालने के लिए increase upon original price multiply 100%. So how much is the increase? Increase is 20,000 and original price was 3,50,000 multiply 100%. Now let us divide this by 100. Again by 100. Now let us divide this by 5. 7 and it is 40. So it is 40 upon 7%, and since this is an improper fraction, let us convert this into mixed. So if I divide 40 by 7, it is 7 5s are 35 and 5 will be remainder. So it is equal to 5 upon 7%. The thing you are to keep in mind is कि जिसकी परसेंटेज निकालनी है वो चीज न्यूमरेटर में, टोटल वाली चीज डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई 100%. Question number 7. First part is chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. That means 10 for calcium, 3 for carbon and 12 parts for oxygen. Now find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. This is just similar to the second question. So let us first write down the ratio. Calcium ratio carbon ratio oxygen, and it is given to us 10:3:12. Now let us find out the total number of parts. So how many total parts are there? 10 plus 3 plus 12, and it is equal to 25. Now we have to find out the percentage of carbon, and carbon means the second ratio. That means 3 parts out of 25. So percentage of carbon would be 3 parts out of 25 means 3 upon 25 multiply 100%. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So it comes out to be 12%. So percentage of carbon is 12%. Now second part is, if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 grams, then what is the weight of the chalk stick? In chalk stick 3 things are there, and out of that one thing is carbon, which is 3 grams. So let us suppose that let weight of chalk stick be x. You can take any variable of your choice. Now percentages of carbon is 12% and quantity of carbon is 3 grams. That means 12% of x is equal to 3 grams. भी परसेंटेज कार्बन की है, ये वेट भी कार्बन का है. दिस शुड बी इक्वल. नाउ 12% ऑफ टोटल, और टोटल क्या है? x. सो 12% ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 3 ग्राम्स. 12% मीन्स 12 upon 100. Of means multiply x is equal to 3. Let us keep x here only and shift other things to that side. So 100 will go in multiplication and 12 will come in division. So 3 into 100 upon 12. Now 3 ones are 3 4 za, 4 1 za, 4 25 za. So x is equal to 25 grams. That means total weight of chalk stick is 25 grams.